Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acceptably. 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 Acceptably is an adverb used to describe how something is done in a satisfactory or suitable manner. It signifies that a task, action, or result meets the required standards or expectations. Here are some examples. Example number 1. His performance in the exam was acceptably good, given the challenging questions. Why acceptably is used in example number 1. Acceptably is used to indicate that his performance was satisfactory, especially considering the difficulty of the exam questions. Example number 2. The repair work on the car was done acceptably, and it now runs smoothly. Why acceptably is used in example number 2. This sentence uses acceptably to convey that the repair work met the required standards, resulting in the car running smoothly. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.